Have you ever wondered about the role of t-values and p-values in interpreting OLS regression summary? They might seem like cryptic codes at first, but once you understand their purpose, they can transform the way you view and analyze data. First off, let's get to know the t-value. The t-value measures the strength of the relationship between the variable and the outcome. Or in other words, it tells us how significant the variable is in predicting the outcome. Now you might be asking, how does it do this? The t-value takes into account the coefficient of the variable and its standard error. When the coefficient is large relative to the standard error, the t-value increases. Conversely, when the standard error is large relative to the coefficient, the t-value decreases. This indicates that the variable has a strong or weak effect on the outcome respectively. Output. Now, let's move on to the p-value. The p-value gives us the probability that the variable has no effect on the outcome. It basically tells us whether we can reject the null hypothesis, which states that the variable has no effect. A small p-value, typically less than 0.05, indicates strong evidence against the null hypothesis, so we reject it. This means that the variable does affect the outcome. A large p-value, on the other hand, suggests that the variable may not have an effect on the outcome. So how do t-values and p-values work together? Well, they both help us determine the significance of the variable. A large t-value and a small p-value indicate that the variable is significant in the model. Conversely, a small t-value and a large p-value suggest that the variable may not be significant. To summarize, the t-value measures the strength of the relationship between the variable and the outcome, taking into account the coefficient and the standard error. The p-value, on the other hand, gives us the probability of the variable having no effect on the outcome. Together, they help us determine the significance of the variable in the model. Remember, while these values can give us a good indication of the variable's significance, they are not the be-all and end-all. It's crucial to consider them in the context of your overall analysis. So the next time you're looking at an OLS regression summary, you'll know exactly what those t-values and p-values are telling you. And that's it. We've demystified t-values and p-values. So the next time you're faced with a table full of these values, fear not. You're now armed with the knowledge to interpret them accurately and make sound, data-driven decisions.